Hello friends, myself Rajat Mittal. Today we discuss about a topic of class 10th. This topic is arithmetic progression in short AP. तो AP को स्टार्ट करने से पहले we discuss about sequence. What is sequence? Series of eight numbers that patterns increasing and decreasing in a fixed number and there is same relation in the first, second or third sequence. The definite series of numbers is called sequence. क्या कह रहा है आपको कि अगर हम किसी भी नंबर्स में कुछ इंक्रीज करें या डिक्रीज करें तो इस टाइप के जो नंबर आपको मिलेंगे we found the numbers जैसे called sequence. For example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is a sequence. Why? Because the difference between two numbers is 2. If we added in 2 in preceding term, we find succeeding term. Again added 2. Again we added 2 and we added 2. This is a sequence. In example number second, we less than 3. We less 3 preceding term to find succeeding term minus 3. हम फिर again minus 3, again minus 3 and again minus. This is a also sequence. In example number third, power of 3 increasing 3 to power 0, 3 to the power 1, 3 to power 2, 3 to power 3. This is a 3 multiply 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. This is a also sequence. Then what is arithmetic progression? What is arithmetic progression? This is a sequence and the type of sequences is first type of arithmetic progression is in this video lecture we discuss about arithmetic progression, introduction of arithmetic progression. Let's start. Arithmetic progression. The sequence of a number such that the difference between two terms या difference between two conjugative terms remain same. जो difference होगा two terms का वो क्या होना चाहिए? Same होना चाहिए. For example 3, 6, 9, 12. Difference between two conjugative terms remain same. डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू कंजुगेटिव टर्म्स टू कंजुगेटिव लगातार दो लगातार जो भी टर्म्स है जो भी नंबर्स है उनके बीच में जो भी डिफरेंस है 3 अगेन 3 अगेन 3 एंड सो ऑन. ओके दिस इज ए एपी. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल इज 2 नहीं अपने लेते हैं 11 8 5 2 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3. This is a AP. If we added any number of preceding term to find succeeding term, this is called AP. In general form this is called AP. 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power 3, 3 power 3. This is a not a AP because in definition of AP it added a fixed number in preceding term. This is a AP because but we not added in this series. We multiply in preceding term to find succeeding term. So this is a not a AP. Next example is 2, 5, 8, 11, 13. Can we? This is a AP. Check it. Difference between two terms 3. Again 3. Again 3. Here 2. This is a not a AP because the difference between two conjugative terms not a remain same because in last two terms the difference between two terms is 2, डिफरेंस क्या आ गया यहाँ पे 2 आ गया, सो दिस इज ए नॉट ए एपी. डिफरेंस बिटवीन two terms remain same is called AP. Okay, now we start. What is first term? What is the difference, common difference? Let A1, A2, A3 so on are in AP. Are in AP. It means difference between two terms same, here same, and so on. Let difference between two terms is D. Let कर दिया कि ये डिफरेंस है वो क्या है D है, डिफरेंस D, डिफरेंस D. Now start. A1. A1 is first term. First term of AP is A1. That is called also A. A1 or A is called first term, and A2. A2 is second term. Second term. Here D. What is D? D is a difference. D is a difference. We call common difference. The difference between two consecutive terms remains same. This is called common difference. We denoted by D. Common difference denoted by D. A2 minus A1. This is a difference between two consecutive terms. Succeeding term minus preceding term, second term minus first term. This is called common difference. Common difference. This is called common difference. Now again A1, A2, A2. We find A2. How to found? We find A2 if we added in A1 is D. If we added in A1 is D, it is called A2. Then find A2. We find A2. The common अपने समझे definition से अगर अपन समझे कि we added in preceding term, we added a number, the same number in preceding term, we find succeeding term. If we added D in A1, we find A2, and if we find A3, it means A2 plus D. If we find A4, A3 plus D, A5, A4 plus D, and so on. If 5, then 4. If n and n minus 1, its preceding term is n minus 1 plus D. This is a AP. This is a find the terms of AP. How to find terms of AP? That is formula. You can write it and take a screenshot. If let A1, A2 is AP. Now let's start. How to check the series is in AP or not. 6, 9, 6, 9, 15. Yes. 3 examples discuss about. This is 3 examples. We find this series are in AP, yes or no. Let's start first. We found common difference in each terms. In each terms we find common difference. If the common difference will be same, then this sequence is an AP, otherwise not in AP. First we found D1, A2 minus A1, A2 9, A1 6, A3 again D2, A3 minus A2 12 minus 9, again 3, D3 A4 minus A3 15 minus 12, number is 3. D1 equal D2 equal D3. The difference between each consecutive term will be remain same. It means the given series are in an AP. This is a solution to how to find that this is a AP or not. Now we discuss about example number 2. Minus 7, minus 9, minus 11 and minus 13. D1. A2 minus A1. What is A2? Minus 9. Minus, and what is A1? Is minus 7. Minus minus plus, that is minus 2. Many times students we write this. This is a wrong, because A1 minus 7. A1 minus 7 minus, this is minus of formulas and minus 7 of A1. So we can write this. D2 A3 minus A2. How much D2? Minus 11. Minus 9. 11 plus 9. This is minus 2. And D3. A4 minus A3. A4 minus 13. Minus A3 minus 11. 13 plus 11. This is a minus 2. Difference between all terms minus 2. So this is an AP. The list of numbers are in AP. Now we start example number 3. 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. Okay. D1. A2 minus A1. A2. What is A2? What is A2? 1 by 2 minus, LCM is 2, 1 minus 3, minus 2, 2. This is minus 1. D2, formula A3 minus A2. What is A3? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. LCM is 2, minus 1, minus 1. Minus 2 upon 2, that is minus 1. D3. A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3. Minus 3 upon 2. Minus formula A3 minus 1 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Minus minus plus 1 by 2. LCM is minus 2. Minus 3 plus 1. Minus 2 upon 2. That is minus 1. This is also in AP. This is 6, 9, here 6, 9, 50. This is the first question, and second is minus 7, minus 9, minus 11 and minus 13. This is a second question example. This is a third example. Okay, students, please note down. Let's start next question. Yes. Next question is, if A is minus 1, and D is 1 by 2. Find next four terms. Next four terms is A2, A3, A4 and A5. How to find A2? A1 plus D. What is A1? A1 is first term given that A minus 1 plus 1 by 2 LCM is 2 divided by 2 1 upon 2 sorry 2 upon 1 2 multiply by 1 minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2 1 1 1 ja 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 that is second term. Now find third term A2 plus D A2 minus 1 by 2 plus D 1 by 2. This is minus 1 by 2, this is plus 1 by 2 and cancel it. It is 0. A3 A4 A3 plus D A3 0 and D 1 by 2. That answer is 1 by 2. A5 is A4 plus D A4 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 half and 1. The list of next four numbers is are 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2 and 1. Okay students, this is a how to find four terms in next AP, even AP. Let's note them. Okay students, this is a basic and introduction of arithmetic progression. In next video, we discuss about how to find nth term of given AP. Okay, thank you.